how to clean the big brush on our Xiaomi vacuum robot. So grab your robot and rotate it upside down. And this is the big brush. As you can see, it's heavily haired because my girlfriend has long hair. So grab these two orange buttons and we want to open this cover. Now you can grab that big brush. So now you will need small scissors and we want to cut all these hairs. So I'm gonna do it quickly. Also grab this little part and dislocate it from this station, and we want to grab all these hairs. Once you are finished, put it back and repeat the process on the opposite side. Now make sure to clean all this mess. Use your basic vacuum. Now I want to put this main blade back to its place. So make sure it's rotating well. And now close this cover. Make sure it clicks. And now you can use your vacuum robot cleaner. And that's how you can clean the main blade on your Xiaomi robot. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.